Welcome to our Kiswahili class. So today we are looking at tarehe. That means the date. In other words, how we can read the date in Kiswahili. So reading dates is very simple. It becomes more simpler if you did well in counting, or if you rehearsed well in counting, and then you put along the days of the week and months in the year, because that is what date is all about. So let's take a look at a few examples that can guide you on how you can read the dates in Kiswahili. So you're going to take a look at this example of 8th December 2020. So the date is 8th, and we say 8 in Kiswahili is nane. So you're going to say the date is tarehe nane mwezi wa Desemba, meaning December, mwaka wa 2020. The year of 2020. So remember we said 2020 is, or 2020 is 2020. So that's why I said you will need to practice much on the counting to have these figures flowing. Let's take a look at this challenging one. So the date is 9 September 1999, or 1999. So in Kiswahili it is going to be tarehe 9 mwezi wa Septemba. We say September is September mwaka wa 1999.